Hey grade 5, welcome to another week of home learning. I hope that you had a great weekend, that you were able to get outside and get away from your screens for a little while. We have a really fun week in store for us, so let's take a look. Starting this week with our objectives. In math this week we're going to continue with order of operations, and we're also going to be taking a look at analyzing the cost of our business and making predictions about profit. So we'll work on that on Thursday during our unit time. In literacy this week, you're going to have a big project on Tuesday where you're designing the advertisements for your market. And really this week, our big goal is to talk about sustainability. How do we balance making a profit as a business with being sustainable and taking care of our planet? So it's going to be a very cool week. I hope you guys enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get started with Math Monday. So your journal today asks you just to think about something hard that you're going through. I think for all of us, we're facing new challenges right now, whether that's figuring out how to have a Zoom call or many of the other just kind of little small things that are popping up. So I encourage you to really think about your life, what's hard about it right now, but what opportunities might also come about it. Personally, I feel like I've grown so much with technology through this experience, and I think I'm going to be a better teacher out of the other side of it. So hopefully you're learning something from all of this. Yeah, so we're journaling about that today. In math, I've got a Khan Academy video. This should be a reminder for you. We've already done order of operations. We were working on it before we left. But it's another just chance for you to check in. You can do the video and the practice. And then I'll ask you to do your first week's check-in. So that's in your math folder. It's a one page, it's not a double-sided one. And there's the answer key here. You can click on it. So once you've done your best tried, you can check it and just see how you did. This is mostly just for you, right? So if you're getting a lot wrong, try to go back to the practice and just make sure you really understand this order of operations. It's something that's going to come up a lot in your life. And finally, there's a seesaw assignment for you about order of operations. And I really want you to think about using your math language to justify your thinking. So it's not just about getting the right answer, it's about explaining our thinking and explaining those steps either in writing or using your voice. I noticed that some people have already finished the seesaw assignment, so I also included a bonus word problem of the day for you. This is completely optional, but if you already finished the seesaw assignment and you're feeling a little bit bored, this is just something that you could work on. If you do solve it, go ahead and take a picture of your math notebook and send it to me in a Zoom chat. I would love to see it and maybe just chat with you a little bit and see how you're doing. Okay guys, I'm online all this morning, so feel free to send me a message. And I'll see you Wednesday, but I'll also see you in the video for the check-in tomorrow. Okay, take care of each other. Be safe. Be kind.